Thank you for joining us again. Today we have another ancient fossil to look at. Today we're exploring gastropods. Wait a minute. I feel something hiding in my pocket. What could it be? A gastropod. Check that out. Alright, you take one and you may have one there. So gastropods are ancient animals. They've been around for a long time. They're still around now. These guys were friends with the dinosaurs. They saw dinosaurs. Can you believe that?
They saw dinosaurs whenever they went on an adventure.
That's right. Whenever they went on an adventure, they saw dinosaurs. So, we're going to take a gastropod. Let's start at 5x. Let's begin right now. Whoa! There it is. That's 5x. So this is the shell of the gastropods. Gastropods include snails and slugs. Which one is your favorite gastropod?
I like the mollusk.
The mollusk is a good gastropod. Which one do you like?
The seal.
The snail!
The mollusk does not have any poisons.
Oh, he doesn't have poison. At least we don't think he does. Maybe he does. Yeah, so these gastropods, the fossils survived, but most of the time only the shell survived because the shell was hard and the soft part just disappeared with time. So there's the shell. What do you think of this shell?
Good.
You love it! There it is. I see some little flakes of green and red. Let's take a look at some of that red stuff. Let's go to 10x. 10x. Here we go! Now what do we see?
Meat.
Meat? There's no meat there. The snail and the slug disappeared a long time ago. Only meat. Only his shell survives to this day. Wow. These gastropods were around during the Miocene period millions of years ago. And their shell has different types of material. Wow. Kind of crunchy. Their shells are crunchy. If you stand on them, you'll crush them. So there's 10x. I'm still having a little bit of trouble really seeing clearly. Let's explore closer. 20x. Here we go. There's 20x. So what do you think those little red flakes are?
They are part of the shell.
They are part of the shell. I wonder what material that's composed of. I'm not quite certain, folks. We go to the beach all the time and we go seashell collecting. We collect all shells. What's your favorite shell to collect?
Gastropods, shells under the sand.
Okay. Not sure where he was going with that, folks, but okay. There's 20x, guys. Let's go all the way to 50 because I'm really fascinated by that little red flake. I want to take a close look at him. 50x, here we go. There's that red flake. It looks almost like a drop of blood.
He left his shell and he disconnected from the shell because his shell got a little bruise on it, so he decided to find another shell.
That's great! That's very likely. That's right. Come out. So there it is. What did you guys think of the gastropod? We love it. Look at this one. It's unbelievable to think that this guy was around millions of years ago. What happened to yours?
I think it fell.
So thank you for joining us, guys. Come back next time as we continue to